Salty with Sam. This week we'll be cooking out of the Pioneer Woman's Come and Get It cookbook. We'll be doing her Parmesan-Panko chicken. As you see here, we have 2 chicken breasts that we are going to cut in half. We're going to cut them in half this way, making sure to keep your hand flat on top so that you don't lose any fingers. Here we are, all cut in half. I've now placed our chicken in between 2 layers of cling film, and we're going to use a meat mallet to thin our chicken into about 1/4 inch thickness slices. All right, here's our chicken thinned out. Also, if you don't have a meat mallet, you can use a rolling pin. Next, we need to combine our flour, salt, and pepper. In a separate bowl, combine milk and eggs. And in our last bowl, we're going to mix up panko breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. This is finely shredded Parmesan cheese, and you want to have a little bit extra just for serving. Okay, everyone, we're now going to take our chicken that we flattened earlier, and we're going to put it in our flour mix. In our milk and egg mixture. And then in our breadcrumb and Parmesan mixture. Here is our crusted chicken, and now we're going to move on over to the stove. Here you see I have our pan. In our pan, we're going to add some olive oil and butter, and we're going to let that get hot over medium heat. Our olive oil and butter is ready and warm, so now we're going to put in our chicken. We're going to put 2 in and leave them in until they are brown and cooked through, which she says is about 2 to 3 minutes per side. So after 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to flip them. All right, our chicken is done. I left it for a little longer than 2 and 3 minutes on each side just because I didn't feel like it was quite done. So we're going to remove them and place them onto a plate lined with paper towels. Now we're going to place more olive oil and butter into the pan and let it warm up for our last 2 pieces of chicken. That should be pretty good. Well, everyone, here is our Parmesan-Panko chicken breast. Thank you very much for watching the video. A link to purchase the cookbook and the recipe will be posted in the bottom of the video. Until next time, thank you.